cabinet, right? You didn't see it opening, did you? I'm sure you did fine. Still no progress on the power, unfortunately. But we're getting an expert tomorrow, so we hope to see some changes. Just hang in there. You remember I said that we built this up from the ashes? Well, this building actually caught on fire many years ago. Luckily though, no one got hurt, or actually, one did. A dragon-like creature. He died in this fire. He was a bad guy, so who knows? He might have been in the cause of the fire in the first place. He was buried afterwards. Right below your office, actually. Kinda cool, huh? And kinda disturbing as well. Afterwards, Wario later decided to start a food factory of some sort. Either way, just keep going. Remember the generator, yeah? Hide if you need to, and check that cabinet as often as you can too. But I'm sure you'll be fine. Hopefully anyway. Talk to you tomorrow. did. Yeah, I've been in your situation before, working on a place like this. I worked there for 6 nights before they decided to close it off due to events going on. That was a nightmare, I assure you. Don't know if you've experienced something similar these nights. Hopefully not. At least, I'm sure you won't see the same horrifying faces that I saw. Oh, I almost forgot. We brought in an expert today, looking at the electricity and stuff, and he couldn't find the error. He said it looked to be in perfect condition, so he didn't really understand the problem. We explained our problem though, so he tried his best either way. And though it didn't get fixed, it got, well, more active. It uses power even faster now. But on the bright side, you will charge it up faster as well. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing though. Keep your head cool now. I know something is going on there, and I know you've seen this something with your own eyes. Just keep it up. It's very important to have a night guard this first week. Talk to you tomorrow. you.